Good morning. I want to introduce to you some new glued sounds today. I've got the 4 sounds we're going to work on over here, and you should already know one of them. You should already know ing. I-N-G says ing. Now, I've got an S already over here. So if I want to build a word, I can take ing and put it right there, and I've just built the word sing. Well, I can take the same S and build 3 other words using glued sounds. So ing says ing, ing, sing. I like to sing. I can also get ang, which says ang, and move that over here. So I have my S, ang, sang. I sang a song last night. I can also use ong, ong. I can move that over here with my S. I have ong, song. What is your favorite song? And finally, I can use ung. Move that over here. Ung, sung. We sung in music class in March. So, you already know ing. We're just adding ang, ong, ung. So we can say sing, sang, song, sung. Now the letter S is special. Not every letter works like that. If I want to take an L, and I want to make the word lung. I have 2 lungs in my body. Well, to spell one lung, it would be ung. L, ung, lung. And to make it more than one lung, I would just add an S. So that's lung. Let's come over here and pick a different one. What if I did, let's see, a good one. A D. And I want to spell ding. Like the doorbell went ding. I would do ing, d-ing, ding. Well, the doorbell actually says ding dong. So ding dong. I could do a B. And I want to spell bang. I'm going to bang on your door until you open up. That would be A-N-G, bang. Now, I put a story in your mailbox that uses a P to spell a sport. P-ing, ping, p-ong, pong, ping pong. So you're going to read some stories using ing, ang, ong, and ung. Hope you have a great day. Good luck.